Hi friends, let me show you this new dog car seat that I just received. It's great to bring my small dog, it's in for small dogs, in your car with you in the armrest, okay? So you have the user manual, how to put it together. Let's put it together, okay? Okay, sideways. Okay, perfect. Now, okay, it's gonna be like so you can bring your dog in with you like this, okay? This is the door. You can leave it open so the dog can see, or just button it up here. So it comes in this kind of, well, in this box, and you can put this to its color, so it will stay here. He will stay here, okay? So if you want, also you have this, well, booster seat, if the dog feels it's too. Friends, let me show you that depending on your armrest, you have these straps that you can use sideways or in this other format in the long way, okay? Depending on the car and your car's make and your car's armrest, okay? Of course, you can give it more length here, but I am using them sideways because that's what I need. Let me put them, okay? I'm just going to get them through the armrest, okay? As you can see, the way down, okay? This way, my pet will be firmly here. It won't fall down, and I'm going to bring him to show you how we are going to go for a ride. So we are ready to go for a ride. This is Milo. Milo, let's go for a ride. We are going to put his belt here, and we are going to leave this open so he can go with us. Let's go. As you can see, Milo is in his seat, and we are ready to go for a ride. Now he can see everything. He is in a booster seat. Okay. Let's go, Milo. You can even close the door so Milo is more comfortable. He's not that big. He's not that small, so he still can see everything. And also use this box or seat to bring your pet with you as a carrying bag. You see? So I think it's great. If you have a dog that you like to bring with you wherever you go, this is a perfect accessory for you. Thank you.